Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be checking out this pellet ice machine right here from Ecozy. Now this thing, super easy to operate. Pop the top open right here, and this is where your ice is stored right there. Decent amount of ice right there, as you can see in the bucket. Whenever you want to fill this up, you just pour water down here into this little reservoir. This little area in here isn't like kept super cold. The ice basically keeps it cold, and it just recirculates everything. Your ice pours out of this little hole right here. We have a family of 5, and we eat ice quite a bit, and we have no issues with it running out of ice. Now, how loud is this thing? Some people say these little devices right here are kind of noisy. Right here, where I'm talking, is about 65 decibels, and then we'll be quiet. So a quiet room is usually around 35 decibels, and then we'll turn this on, and we'll see how loud it is with it on. And as you can see, it's about 56 decibels right there, about a foot away from it. Now, you're not going to be normally a foot away from it. I'll step back here and see. All right, drops down to 50 as we're about 4 feet away, which is going to be like your standard distance that you are away from this thing. You're not going to be having your ear up to this, so it's not very loud at all, and that's only running whenever it's producing the ice. And like I said, this thing isn't always running. It just runs to produce the ice, and then once it gets completely full, it will automatically turn off. A little light on here lights up, says, hey, I'm full, so you'll know. And then the same thing would, whenever you run out of water, you'll know. You won't have to pull this off and check. A little light will light up down here as well. So overall, I'm very happy with this. Just plugs into a standard 110 outlet right there. Comes with your little scoop. So go ahead, check this one out from Ecozy.